Solve the inequality, then graph the solution on a number line. Pause the video here and try it on your own, and then when you come back, we'll walk through it together. Part A, solve 4 times the quantity 2x minus 11 less than or equal to negative 12 plus 2 times the quantity x minus 4. So the first thing that you want to do is you take your original inequality and use the distributive property on it to get rid of the parentheses. So we're going to take our 4 and we're going to distribute it into this parentheses here, giving us the 8x plus, minus 44. And we take our 2 and distribute it here, giving us 2x minus 8. Then we simplify the expressions as much as possible. 8x minus 44 stays the same because there's nothing to simplify there. But we can combine the negative 12 and the negative 8 together to give us negative 20 plus 2x. Next, we add 44 to both sides because the idea is to get all of the constants onto one side and all the variables onto the other. Subtract 2x from both sides. That helps us get all the variables on one side. Now we have 6x less than or equal to 24. Notice that our inequality symbol has not changed at all because we have not been multiplying or dividing by negative numbers. So the inequality symbol has stayed the same throughout this whole process. We have all of our variables on one side and all of our constants on the other. So now we're ready to divide both sides by 6 to get the x by itself. Dividing by 6 on both sides gives us x less than or equal to 4. To graph this inequality, we're going to use a solid dot on 4 because it is less than or equal to, means 4 can be an answer, so it's solid. And less than means everything smaller than that, so we color everything to the left. If an inequality simplifies to a false statement, something that cannot possibly be true, then there is no solution to the inequality. The solution set is the empty set, which is this circle with a line through it. You might recognize these from signs when they tell you that things aren't allowed. They have a circle and a cross through it. In math, it means the empty set. However, if all values of a variable make the inequality true, then the solution set is all real numbers. Right? So if you get that 1 is equal to 1, like our identity that we talked about with our equations in semester 1, that's all real numbers.